Your dad sold his old truck for $2 grand. Today, it's worth $18,000, and he thinks about it every day. In the next 5 minutes, you'll find out how much money your family threw away. I met a 68-year-old man who actually cried, because he sold his 1998 Toyota Tacoma in 2005 for $3,500. Today, it's worth $22,000. He traded gold for garbage and didn't know it. This happened to millions of dads. Subscribe because today you'll understand why that old jalopy would be worth a house down payment today. Truck number 1, Ford F-150 1992 to 1996 OBS. The F-150 OBS is the truck every dad sold thinking it was time to modernize. A guy in Tennessee sold his late father's 1995 F-150 in 2018 for $4,000, needed money fast. 3 years later, he saw it, same truck, same plates, for sale at $19,000. Tried to buy it back. Owner didn't even reply. That truck had his father's signature in the glove box, the last physical thing he had from his dad, lost forever. Windsor V8 that runs 500,000 miles. Frame that doesn't rust. Price in 2010? $2,000 to $4,000. Today, $12,000 to $25,000. Your dad sold one, didn't he? Truck number 2, Chevrolet Silverado 1988 to 1998. A gentleman in Alabama had a 1997 Silverado stepside, red, perfect. Wife made him sell it because it took up space. Sold in 2012 for $3,800. Today, he rents a similar one for $150 a day when he wants to feel the wheel. Already spent over $7,000 on rentals. His worth $28,000 today. He told me I slept poorly thinking I was too old. Now I sleep poorly because I know I'm too dumb. 5.7 Vortec V8 Immortal. One in Colorado has 712,000 miles. Original engine. Price today, $10,000 to $24,000, climbing 15% per year. Truck number 3, Dodge Ram 1994 to 2001 Cummins. A teacher in Florida had 3 1998 Rams. Bought at auction in 2009 for $2,500 each. Total, $7,500. Wife gave an ultimatum, sell them or I'm leaving. He sold all 3 for $9,000 total. Today they're worth minimum $45,000 together. The wife filed for divorce in 2015 anyway. Lost the Rams and the wife. The 12-valve Cummins in these Rams is legendary. One on YouTube has 1.2 million miles. Original engine. Ram with Cummins worth $4 grand in 2010. Today, $15,000 to $35,000. First editions up to $45,000. Truck number 4, Ford T100 1993 to 1998. The T100 was a commercial failure. They made few, and rare things nobody wanted become treasures. A guy in Wyoming inherited his grandfather's 1995 T100, the truck his grandfather used to build the family home, literally. In 2015, he needed $5,000 for his daughter's surgery, sold the T100 for $5,500, saved his daughter, lost his soul. Today, it's worth $18,000, and there's no money to buy it back because the new owner knows what he has. 3.7 V6 that runs forever, overbuilt frame, zero electronics. Finding one today easier than finding a diamond in your yard. Price $12,000 to $22,000. Truck number 5, Ford Ranger Splash 1993 to 1997. The Splash was the stylish Ranger version, two-tone colors, special wheels. All dads sold them because they looked like kid stuff. A guy in California sold his yellow 1995 Splash in 2008 for $2,800. Last month saw an identical one for sale at $19,500. Sold in 3 hours. Called the buyer, offered $20,000. Guy laughed and hung up because he knows in 5 years it'll be worth $30,000. Few were made, even fewer survived. Collectors pay absurd amounts. Price $12,000 to $18,000. Yellow ones, 30% premium. How many did your dad sell? How many $1,000s did your family give away? Not his fault, nobody knew. Everyone thought old cars only depreciated, but something changed after the 2000s. Manufacturers discovered durability doesn't make profit. Customers with cars that don't break don't come back. They started making disposable cars, melting plastics, exploding turbos, programmed to last 10 years and die. Then people looked back and said, wait, those old trucks are still running. After 30 years, 400,000 miles. Boom, gold rush. These 5 were the last honest machines, and those who sold are learning an expensive lesson about patience. You have one? Congratulations. Investment that rises while you sleep. Don't have one? Find your dad, ask him what he had, where he sold it. Maybe you can track it down. Rare, but it happens. If your dad still has one, tie him to a chair, but don't let him sell it. Comment, which one did your dad have? Did he sell it? Does he regret it? Next week, the 5 trucks from the 2000s that are depreciating. One loses 40% in 2 years. If this video made you call your dad, hit that like. See you next week. And hug your dad. He suffers enough already.